Hello traders, today we're looking at GJ 5-minute chart and we're taking a long position based on the range. As we can see, the price is rotating back and forth from low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, and now we have the breakout. I'm trying to fade the breakout after I saw the sellers failed to make a new low. So as we can see here, we have a higher high candle above the pullback, and if you copy and paste the mid-range below, this will create support, and above this will create resistance. So we want to buy at support and sell at resistance. So my target is the high of the range, and I'll pause the video here, then I'll come back with an update.
Hello traders, I'm back with an update for the GJ trade. I just got out at plus 22 pips. As I explained, a range, a breakout, a failure into a target. So that's the trade of the day. I'll see you in another video.